Movie Camera YouTube Script, LogicLyft, Chapter 1.2, Creating Variables and Assigning Values, including Hello, World from Section 1.1, Clapperboard intro. Hi everyone. Welcome back to LogicLyft, where we keep things simple. In the last video, we learned about Python and installed it. Now it's time to write our first line of Python code. Input Latin letters. Let's print Hello, World. In programming, we always start by printing something simple to the screen. This helps us make sure Python is working. So here's our first code line, print Hello World. Let's break this down. Print is a function that tells Python to show something. Hello World is the text we want to show. The text is written inside quotes because it's a string. When you run this code, you'll see Hello World perfect. You've just written your first Python program. Brain. Now let's learn about variables. Section 1.2, Creating Variables and Assigning Values. A variable is a name that stores some data, like a number or a word. White heavy check mark. Creating a variable in Python, it's super easy. Just write the name, an equals sign, and the value. A equals 5, this means A holds the number 5. Input numbers. More examples. A equals 2, B equals 9 2 2 3 3 7 2 0 3 6 8 5 4 7 7 5 8 0 7, pi equals 3.14, C equals a, name equals John Doe, Q equals true, X equals none. You don't need to tell Python what type it is. Python figures it out automatically. Test tube. Let's print them. Print A, print name, print Q. When you run this code, Python will print each value on a new line. Warning: variable naming rules. When naming variables, follow these rules. 1. Start with a letter or an underscore symbol. 2. Do not start with a number. 3. Do not use spaces or special characters like @ or $. 4. Python is case sensitive. Name and name are different. Valid. X equals 10, my underscore name equals John, underscore count equals 5, invalid. 9x equals 20, my name equals Ali, $price equals 100, magnifying glass tilted left. Check variable type. You can find out what type of variable is by using the type function. Age equals 25, print type age, #output. LogicLyft multiple assignments. Python lets you assign multiple variables at once. A, B, C equals 1, 2, 3, print A, B, C, #output, 1, 2, 3. You can also assign the same value to many variables, X equals Y equals Z equals 100. Print X, Y, Z, #output, 100,100,100. Recycling symbol. Change variable type later. Python is flexible. You can change the value and type of a variable anytime. A equals 10, print A, #output, 10. A equals Python, print A, #output, Python. Direct hit wrap up. So now you've learned how to print text in Python, how to create and use variables, different data types, how to name variables correctly, multiple and dynamic assignments. Bell outro. In the next video, we'll explore something very important in Python: indentation, the way Python reads and structures code. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more from LogicLyft. Keep it simple. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.